Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get your adaptive products onto your Think Central. So once you click on your Think Central and you get logged in, all you're going to do is go to your Manage Classes. When you get to your Manage Classes, you are going to click on the grade level that you want the class in. So I'm going to go to Math and go ahead and click on it. And what you want to do is all you're going to click on is adaptive learning products. So we want to add those, and we are going to click Add Math Expressions Personal Math Trainer. So then I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it already says I accept. So you are going to click Save. And there you have it. Super duper easy to do. You can do it by yourself. You don't need an admin to do it for you. And that should get you going with adding that personal trainer.